Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. In this video, I shall tell you how to calculate the CAGR for a particular data. Now, but before I start, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Now, sometimes we have secondary data with us. For example, in this video, I've taken the data for 20 to 21 years of CAGR for the tourists' arrival in India, and the data is from 91 to 2011. So in this case, what I've done is that I've taken this data and I do not know what to do besides doing descriptive. So I would simply go in for a percentage change. But if I want to see a percentage change throughout the period from 91 to 2011, so in that case I would have to apply not a simple percentage but compounded percentages. So in simple words, it will be called as compounded annual growth rate. So compounded annual growth rate, CAGR, works when we have data and where we want to see the growth over a period of time. So there a simple percentage won't work. So in that case, you have to apply compound annual growth rate where I have many years. So the formula is end value divided by start value and you raised to power 1 divided by the period minus 1 divided by minus 1. So this is the formula that we have. So in this case, what I'll do is I'll show you how to apply this formula. So simply for CAGR, as you can see, end value, and I will open my calculator here so that I can manually calculate it for you. So this is my calculator. So simply deducting, say, the last value is 6.29. So 6.29 and the first value is 1.67. So it is 6.29 and minus 1.67 would give me a value of 4.62. Similarly, 1 divided by 20 would give me, this is the number of years, 0.05. So what I've done is 4.62 raised to power 0.05, since it is 1 divided by periods minus 1, so the 21 years minus 1, so I've done it with 20. So in this case I've multiplied raised to power 4.62 comes to be 62 raised to power 0.05 comes to be 1.079, and again I deduct 1 from this and I get is 0.795, and then I'll subtract another 1 from it, this 1, so minus 1 again from this, and the value, then multiplying it with 100, I'll get the value which is 6.95 when I manually calculate it. Another way of calculating, a quick way of calculating the CAGR for your quoting this formula is to go online. We have several online calculators for CAGR. So I've also calculated it online. So the initial investment was 1.67 and the final investment is 6.29. So I've used a money calculator. So you can use any online calculator for this. So 6.29 was the final value, 1.67 was the initial value. So I've put it I've removed the decimal, so 167 for initial, and final value is 629, and my number of years is 20, so the duration is 20, and you can see I've got the exact value of CAGR as 6.86. I can show you again, reset. So this is, here you put the value. So we had the initial value as 1.67, so it won't pick up decimals, so I would write simply 167 here, and here I would write 629 simply, and for the number of years I'll scroll down, and for the number of years is to be made 20. since it was 21 minus 1, and this is get the value of CAGR, which is same as quoted by me or manually calculated. So decimal or 2 varies, otherwise the values are calculated online this way. So in this case, this is how you use the compounded annual growth rate to show the growth over a period of time. So thanks for watching, and stay tuned.